demanding for Romance script for speaking Kokborok. And various committee was also formed previously for inclusion of Romance script in Kokborok. And there was in 2004 there was one committee which was formed by Shema Chandra Tripura. So in that committee survey was held. In that survey report, it was found that more than 70% of the Tripuri people, they have opted for Romance script for writing Kokborok. Because our language, Kokborok language is completely different from other language like Bengali, Hindi. It's completely different. It belongs to a Sindho-Tibetan family language. We have a different tone that is unlike the Bengali and Hindi. We have very limited words. We speak, we have a tonal variation in our language. So basically our language is tonal language. For that, the only script which corroborates with our language is Romance script. Like example, there are certain words, if I want to give the example, it's like and so many where the sounds come. So in Bengali, that sounds is not present in Bengali script. That is why we are demanding Romance script. Moreover, as we know, in our constitution there is 8 schedule. Every people belong to a certain community speaking certain language. They have right to preserve their language, and that language need to be included in the 8 schedule. For that purpose, as I have just stated right now, the objective behind the 8th schedule is preservation of the language. To preserve our language, nothing is better than Romance script. That is why we are here. And I would like to read one provision of our constitution. I have that in with me. So under 347 of article in Indian constitution, what has been stated, I would like to read that. That in heading it is mentioned special provision relating to language spoken by a section of the population of a state. On a demand being made in that behalf, the President may, if he is satisfied that a substantial proportion of the population of a state desire the use of any language spoken by them to be recognized by the state, direct that such language shall also be officially recognized throughout the state or any part thereof for such purpose as may be specified. As we have seen in this provision, nowhere it is mentioned that a language which to be recognized as an official language, that language has to adopt a regional script. It is not mentioned. It is nowhere mentioned. So we have seen in many gatherings, in many political meetings, our CM stated that we cannot opt for Romance script. We have to opt for Bengali script.
To include in the 8th schedule.
Yes, to include in the 8th schedule. So there is no such condition mentioned. From where he get that information, I really don't know. And he is not above the constitution. So it's the thing the state government is doing with us. It is completely arbitrarily. It's their adamant behavior. We are not going to tolerate that. We will not remain silent. This is just a beginning. We will continue our movement even more strongly if the government will not stop this adamant behavior towards our Tiprasa people.